So today, eto, review na natin kagad kasi ibibiro din naman sa intro to. So we have now the Sony A7S Mark III. Yan guys, di ba? Ang bago-bagong Sony A7S Mark III, and we have also now a demo unit. Actually, this is the demo unit, and we will unbox and we will check what's inside the box, and we will try the Lowlight capacity lighter, some sample videos of the Sony A7S Mark III. So stay tuned. But again, if you want anything else, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so at least you'll be updated for every videos that we will upload regarding photography, videography, and sneakers. So stay tuned. And again guys, so let's start unbox the Sony A7S Mark III. So eto, start na natin guys. First, ayun, same box pa rin. Sa specs naman, we have 12, same with the A7S Mark II, 12 megapixel. But the ISO is 82/102,000. Yes, for the ISO. And face detection 714/59 with the real time eye autofocus, real time tracking 120 to 100p for 4K NTSC and PAL with 422-bit guys, and MPH and 16-bit RAW. Kasi may output, optical steady shot, at yun, dual slot of the CF Express Type A. So this is very important guys. If you want to buy this camera, make sure that you're gonna take the CF Express Type A, because there's a two type of Sony CF, two type of CF Express of memory card. There's a Type A and Type B. So make sure that you're gonna take the CF Express Type A to use this A7S Mark III. So again guys, Wi-Fi and so on. And dito na lahat. So again, and HDMI. It's a normal HDMI. So ayan, check na natin guys. Let's start. Eto siya. Ika ba doon? Hindi. So again, yung mga manuals natin, nandito yung mga manuals, and charger natin, nandito. Okay, so ayan ang socket. So we have a NP said 100 of battery, NP FZ 100. Yun. So mga cables nandito, USB to USB-C, another cables guys. So dito, the A7S III strap. So yan. And ito ba? I think that's it for the accessories and of course our main camera. So ito ang ating pinaka main camera, the Sony A7S Mark III. So ayan guys. Ito laman ng ating Sony A7S Mark III. So kung papansinin natin, meron siyang buttons dito, maganda na. Ito nga, meron tayong dalawang CF Express card, screen, touchscreen na pwedeng ganito na, diba? And check natin to make sure the HDMI, ayun, normal HDMI na guys. It's a normal HDMI, malaki, ayan, normal HDMI. Kung makikita natin dito, you have the headphone jack, you have the USB-C, the multi for the remote, and also the 3.5 jack for your mic. So guys, napansin ko sa ano, yung gripping niya guys, yung hand grip niya is it's similar with the A7R Mark IV. So malaki na yung dito niya. So astig siya guys. So we will try, we will check, and we will show you the sample footage of the A7S Mark IV. So hello guys, so again we have the Sony A7S Mark III and with the 2470 G Master f2.8 guys. So we will try and we will test the ISO of this camera. So again, for the second version A7S Mark, we know already the ISO of the camera is from the previous one, version 2, is really amazing. So now we will try the ISO again of the Mark III. So we don't have any lights. We will check the ISO on the outdoor And actually guys, it's already 9:30 p.m. here in Kuwait. So it's it's dark here. It's too dark already. So we will not use any lights, but we will try to test only, or we will boost the ISO of this camera. So let's go. Hello guys. So again, nandito tayo sa labas. So we will test now the ISOs. Okay. So I will start to record. Okay, my aperture is f2.8 with the ISO of let's start for 64 ISO or 850. No, 160 ISO with the shutter of 80. Then we will try to boost again our ISO for 200. This is 200 ISO, 250 ISO. Dito ako sa gilid kasi may dumadaan. Then it's 320 ISO guys. And 400 ISO, 500 ISO, 640 ISO, 800 ISO guys, 1000 ISO, 1250 ISO, 1600 ISO, 2000 ISO, 2500 ISO, 3200 ISO, 4000 ISO guys, 5000 ISO, 6400 ISO guys. So ayan, pakalinis yan, diba? Liwanag, wala tayong ilaw. We don't have any lights here. Only the lights from the, ayan, so may poste, yan lang. And again, we have an 8000 ISO, 10,000 ISO guys, 12,800 ISO, 16,000 ISO, and 20,000 ISO guys. Imagine, 20,000 ISO. So, ayan, pakita mo na ano ba, yung sa Symphony. See, compare for the Symphony, for our Fuji, we have the 3200 ISO, compare for Sony, which is 20,000 ISO. And guys, so again, back sa ating camera. Ayan, si Brian, punta na ang ating director, photographer, videographer. Now, we have the 25,600 ISO, 320 o 32,000 ISO, sorry, 40,000 ISO, 512 ISO, up to 64,000 ISO, 80,000 ISO, and ayan, i-boost na natin to 12,800 ISOs. And guys, sobrang liwanag na, di ba? Bis na, pero ito, okay na ako dito sa at least 32,000 ISO o 40,000 ISO. Imagine, ganyan ka, anong ISO niya. So parang sa tingin ko napakalinis pa rin, still clean, and yeah. So again guys, I think this is all for today for our test, and we will conduct more tests soon for the Sony A7S, the slow motion and everything. So again guys, thank you. And again, thank you very much sa ating mga subscribers. So walang sawang panonood sa ating channel, sa pagsuporta sa ating channel. Maraming salamat. And again guys, ayun nga, nasubukan na namin ng low light capacity nito. Siyempre, sample footage but not in the higher bitrate kasi nga baka hindi kayanin ng computer natin ang sample, ang pag-edit. So, doon muna tayo sa less. Pero at least, pakita lang natin yung sample. Stabilization niya. Alam ko may image stabilization ba to? Alam ko meron. Hindi ako sure, pero check na natin. Meron, di ba? So, ayun. Check na lang natin lahat. Yun, yung sample video. Ang most important nito, yung ano niya, ang sa low light. So, i-boost natin masyado yung ISO niya. Subukan natin guys. So again, so marami pang test na gagawin natin. So, we'll do more testing of this camera. But as of now, we'll check the low light capacity of this camera that we all know the A7S Mark II have a monster regarding for the low light. So again guys, I think that's it for today for the test. We will do another test and we will check more about this A7S Mark III. So again, and that's it for today. So thank you very much sa ating Team Positive. Shoutout sa admin and members ng Team Positive, kay Inay De Reyes. Inay, asa ka na? At syempre sa mga members natin, sa mga bagong members natin, shoutout to you guys. Sa magpipremiere mamaya, shoutout. At syempre sa ating director na si Brian Putara, check nyo yung channel niya, mag-upload na rin yan balang araw. At yun, kay Palaboy OFW ng Dep, ngayon kakainin namin pagkain mo dyan. Bahala. So again, thank you very much, mabuhay. At again guys, road to 5K subscriber tayo, mamimigay tayo ng microphone. So, sa mga hindi pa subscribe dyan, subscribe na kayo. At bahala nyo, kayo manalo ng ating maging lucky winner kayo ng ating microphone giveaway. So, again guys, thank you and mabuhay. And again guys, sorry. Again, if you want to know the product, the price of the Sony A7S Mark III, you can check or you can visit our website www.aabworld.com. So, ayan, at least alam nyo what is the price of the camera and the availability of the camera, and of course, it's a pre-order, still pre-order. But we have a demo unit here in Symphony, so if you want to check the camera, you can visit us in the Symphony Mall, AAB World branch, and you can check the camera and you can test. So, ayan nga guys. Thank you very much and mabuhay.